Welcome. Today we are looking at human health and diseases. This is topic 10 in your SS3 biology series. This topic appears regularly in your examinations. Pay close attention, let us begin. First, let me explain what health is. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. It is not merely the absence of disease. Health is influenced by many factors. These include genetics, nutrition, environment, and lifestyle. Good health is essential for a productive life. It allows individuals to function effectively. It allows them to contribute to society. Health is a fundamental human right. It is the foundation of a happy and fulfilling life. Understanding health is essential for everyone. Now, let me explain what disease is. Disease is a condition that impairs normal body function. It can be caused by various factors. These include pathogens, genetics, nutrition, and environment. Diseases can be infectious or non-infectious. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens. Pathogens are disease-causing organisms. They include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Non-infectious diseases are not caused by pathogens. They include genetic disorders, nutritional deficiencies, and lifestyle diseases. Diseases can be acute or chronic. Acute diseases are short-term. Chronic diseases are long-term. Understanding disease is essential for prevention and treatment. Now, let me explain infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens. Pathogens include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Bacteria are single-celled organisms. They can cause diseases like tuberculosis, cholera, and typhoid. Viruses are smaller than bacteria. They can cause diseases like influenza, HIV, AIDS, and COVID-19. Fungi can cause diseases like ringworm and athlete's foot. Parasites can cause diseases like malaria and sleeping sickness. Pathogens are transmitted in various ways. They can be transmitted through air, water, food, contact, and vectors. Prevention includes vaccination, hygiene, and sanitation. Treatment includes antibiotics, antivirals, and antiparasitics. Now, let me explain bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases are caused by bacteria. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It affects the lungs. It causes coughing and weight loss. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. It affects the intestines. It causes severe diarrhea. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. It affects the intestines. It causes fever and abdominal pain. Pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. It affects the lungs. It causes coughing and fever. Bacterial diseases are treated with antibiotics. Prevention includes vaccination and hygiene. Now let me explain viral diseases. Viral diseases are caused by viruses. Influenza is caused by the influenza virus. It affects the respiratory system. It causes fever and coughing. HIV/AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. It attacks the immune system. It leads to opportunistic infections. COVID-19 is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It affects the respiratory system. It causes fever and difficulty breathing. Measles is caused by the measles virus. It causes fever and rash. Hepatitis is caused by the hepatitis virus. It affects the liver. Viral diseases are treated with antivirals. Prevention includes vaccination and hygiene. Now let me explain fungal diseases. Fungal diseases are caused by fungi. Ringworm is caused by dermatophytes. It affects the skin. It causes a ring-shaped rash. Athlete's foot is caused by trichophyton. It affects the feet. It causes itching and cracking. Candidiasis is caused by candida. It affects mucous membranes. It causes itching and discharge. Fungal diseases are treated with antifungals. Prevention includes hygiene and avoiding moisture. Now, let me explain parasitic diseases. Parasitic diseases are caused by parasites. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. It is transmitted by mosquitoes. It affects the blood. It causes fever and chills. Sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma. It is transmitted by tsetse flies. It affects the brain. It causes confusion and sleep disturbances. Schistosomiasis is caused by schistosoma. It is transmitted by snails. It affects the intestines and bladder. It causes abdominal pain and blood in urine. Parasitic diseases are treated with antiparasitics. Prevention includes vector control and hygiene. Now, let me explain non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases are not caused by pathogens. They include genetic disorders, nutritional deficiencies, and lifestyle diseases. Genetic disorders are caused by mutations. Examples include sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. Nutritional deficiencies are caused by lack of nutrients. Examples include scurvy, rickets, and anemia. Lifestyle diseases are caused by lifestyle factors. Examples include diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Non-infectious diseases are a major cause of death worldwide. Prevention includes healthy diet, exercise, and regular checkups. Now, let me explain cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases affect the heart and blood vessels. They include coronary artery disease, hypertension, and stroke. Coronary artery disease is caused by atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the buildup of plaque in arteries. It reduces blood flow to the heart. It causes chest pain and heart attacks. Hypertension is high blood pressure. It increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Stroke is damage to the brain caused by reduced blood flow. It causes weakness and speech problems. Risk factors include smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise, and genetics. Prevention includes a healthy lifestyle. Now let me explain diabetes. Diabetes is a disease that affects blood sugar regulation. There are two types. Type 1 diabetes is caused by lack of insulin. Insulin is produced by the pancreas. It regulates blood sugar. Type 1 diabetes requires insulin injections. Type 2 diabetes is caused by insulin resistance. It is associated with obesity and lack of exercise. Symptoms include increased thirst, frequent urination, and fatigue. Complications include heart disease, kidney damage, and nerve damage. Prevention includes healthy diet and exercise. Now, let me explain cancer. Cancer is a disease caused by uncontrolled cell division. It can affect any part of the body. Cancer cells divide rapidly. They form tumours. Tumours can be benign or malignant. Benign tumours are not cancerous. They do not spread. Malignant tumours are cancerous. They can spread to other parts of the body. This is called metastasis. Risk factors include smoking, radiation, chemicals, and genetics. Treatment includes surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. Prevention includes avoiding risk factors and regular checkups. Now, let me explain nutritional deficiencies. Nutritional deficiencies are caused by lack of nutrients. Scurvy is caused by lack of vitamin C. It causes bleeding gums and weakness. Rickets is caused by lack of vitamin D. It causes soft bones and deformities. Anemia is caused by lack of iron. It causes fatigue and pale skin. Beriberi is caused by lack of vitamin B1. It affects the nervous system. Pellagra is caused by lack of vitamin B3. It causes dermatitis and dementia. Nutritional deficiencies can be prevented by a balanced diet. Now let me explain the immune system. The immune system protects the body against disease. It has several components. White blood cells are the main cells of the immune system. They include phagocytes and lymphocytes. Phagocytes engulf pathogens. Lymphocytes produce antibodies. Antibodies are proteins that neutralize pathogens. The immune system has two types of immunity. Innate immunity is present at birth. It is non-specific. Adaptive immunity is acquired. It is specific. It involves memory cells. Vaccination stimulates adaptive immunity. The immune system is essential for health. Now let me explain the importance of health education. Health education is important for several reasons. First, it promotes healthy behaviours. It encourages good nutrition and exercise. Second, it prevents disease. It educates people about prevention. Third, it improves quality of life. Healthy people live longer and better. Fourth, it reduces healthcare costs. Prevention is cheaper than treatment. Fifth, it supports community health. Healthy communities are more productive. Health education is essential for public health. Now let me give you sample exam questions. Define health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Define disease. Disease is a condition that impairs normal body function. Distinguish between infectious and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens. Non-infectious diseases are not caused by pathogens. Name the types of pathogens. Pathogens include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Explain the importance of the immune system. The immune system protects the body against disease. State the causes and prevention of nutritional deficiencies. Nutritional deficiencies are caused by lack of nutrients. They are prevented by a balanced diet. Let me summarise. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Disease is a condition that impairs normal body function. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens. These include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Non-infectious diseases include genetic disorders, nutritional deficiencies, and lifestyle diseases. Cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and cancer are major non-infectious diseases. Nutritional deficiencies are caused by lack of nutrients. The immune system protects the body. Health education promotes healthy behaviours and prevents disease. Understanding health and disease is essential for well-being. Practice these concepts. Well done!